Previously on the hottest new series, Sunday Service.
Deacon Bussell will be taking the pastorate position. So you could probably take the deaconess position from Bussell.
And Deacon Bussell position is not my position.
I got two telling no lie still, you know. Sister Baker no two can cook so wonderful, you know. But here what? Me can't do no better.
Because when him a jump and prance and start preach, him a preach, I work, him a work.
If I was the same person that I was before I turned pastor, you could not stand in front of me and talk to me like this, you know. I wasn't a 87 back then, you know. I was a 95. Because we don't want to give the cheese to the rats. You understand? So we need trustworthy people to deal with the financial aspect of the church.
What kind of conversation you a fall person? Oh no! I'm pastor sit down at all night church about people. So this uno involve me in there.
So we now what no conversation with them, we just have a casual
with
talk.
Me? Me never did that.
We not talk about you, miss. We just have a casual talk after lunch.
So why the pastor for the talk about me?
Well, him tell me to come and tell you.
Listen to me. Pastor feel saying holier than everybody sit down in the pew. Me go to church, we go change my life. Listen what the Bible say. Come as you are, render your heart but not your garment. My clothes short, so me wear ties to pastor and in rest of church, brother, they don't look under me.
Well, I need to close the legs then when you're in church.
How about you the legs close up? Listen to me. At church you go, or you go figure mind people business?
Oh, boy.
You have time to talk about me. Who to tell if pastor tell us so? Why pastor never come to me himself and say that to me? Eh?
As I said before, we were sitting and having a meeting.
Meeting? About me? That's something special to Uno and important. Listen to me. Me know why you behave so. Me know why you behave so. Sister Baker, are you me the talk? Look for me now and me the talk to you. Me know why you behave like this and don't in me just a go on and a go on. But you want pastor talk about me and my tights. What happened to me tights? What happened to me tights? Me see why you go on so. A long time me dey hear the news are growing about you and the pastor. When me dey sit down listen to like he holy.
Which news?
Listen to me, man. You see that same pastor there? Where we are going to church and I sit down and I go on like I say, he holier than we? Eh? He man no pastor like that. He not that holy. I'm here say you and him there for a long time. I told me not say nothing. Okay. No, me know why you say to me because the pastor not tell us all. Think you think say me want the pastor.
Calm down. Calm down, Sister Priscilla. It's not what you think. It's nothing like that. Listen, we're not in a relationship. We're not there. We're not in a relationship. We're not there. The only thing is that we're just courting each other. Matter of fact, I'm not even know if we're going to get married.
Court? I just court to now court.
That's what I said.
You see that the pastor there? Me hear about him a long time. Me might not know him like that. I just come to the church. But he look like I say me know him more than you. where you say they quote him. That the pastor then now buy no pussy in no bag. You think I first somebody in court? The amount of people in court. He can't count, he countless.
Well,
so if you think say, he might go just come mad, shut up. You think that you go to church long time, me just a come, we change one day.
Mr. Priscilla, we're not having sex. I am telling you, we're not having sex.
You not have?
We're not having sex.
You're not having sex?
No.
So you feel say me an idiot? To me just at church, to me just, I just come to the church. You feel say me an idiot? Me no know what go on. You see what you no know? Older than you. Enough things where they do, the whole church know because they're not going to come mention it to you.
I'm not hiding anything. I am telling you the truth. We're not having sex.
Anyway, Sister Baker, you say you and him not have sex.
That's what I said.
Well, you not really concerned about that too. You and your pastor up in my life, both tights and one if sitting. And my mind tell me say a lie they tell you now because, listen.
Sister Priscilla.
What?
We are not having sex, and that's final.
You realize?
Evil kiss.
You realize that every time I try to talk to you about the pastor or you try to cut my conversation because your conscience kill you?
I'm listening.
Listen to me. I don't care about you and your pastor, whether you want to have sex or not, because me not come here to mind people business. Me come to change my life and be a different person. Me not come in a church to come watch people, chat them when they have on, and chat how they look, how they talk or how they behave. Me know a whole heap of in a church a hypocrite. And when they put no more for sinners out there. You see same like how you feel say God change you, you know feel say God can change me too. Leave me and my tights alone, lady. A matter of fact, since me come in at the church, you see, and nobody invite me there, you know, and me want to change and make up my mind to come there. And since we come there, I realize some of them look for people too hard and they go on like bullying there. We don't know I don't know say nothing to me, but God, you know what you say behind me. I want to know, take me from God church, you know, I want me ever eat me there where. You're lucky, all you and pastor they talk about tights. You're lucky, say no one body rider me wear. You're all right in our belly skin.
Sister Priscilla?
What is it?
All right, okay.
Let me ask you something. When you just start God church, you see, it's the best outfit you have in you have when you wear God church. Well, when me ever eat me have to wear.
I've never worn tights before to church.
You never wear tights God church yet?
No.
Well, me not have no dress or tights me have to wear. Well, you and pastor, please me, I beg you to buy some church dress give me, because me not know. You don't want me change? Eh? Buy some clothes give me and make me stop wear them here. And when me have, then say, come as you are. And me they come see me on me turn.
You know, Deacon Bacchus, I don't know if you notice, Sister Priscilla attire. You see what she wear come to church today?
Sister Priscilla. I wish for she did sit down again, Pastor.
If I'm not lie, she's sitting in the second row, the first row.
The first row. Oh, okay. What you say about her, Father?
She was sitting there. I don't know if you saw what I'm talking about. You know?
See what, Father?
Why them say sometimes some things come and test the spirit, you see. But what I'm talking about, I don't know if you see it, if it's just me alone see it. I don't know if I should even say this to you.
Then Father don't me a reason.
Sister Priscilla have on a tie, showing up the whole of her vagina. You never see it?
Me, Pastor? Me never see nothing the whole time and you alone me a focus pan. The deliverance of the word was so nice, I never see nothing.
Listen, she have on a tie, so we sprint out and I told Sister Baker that to tell her that I don't want those kind of dresses in my church. Because it's distracting, man.
I can understand, Pastor. Father, I see what you say. But I never see what you talk about still. I did just a focus car. Did I deliver the word? And the word was good, and the word was God. Somebody that listen to what you said.
Right.
But that being said, Pastor, I have something else I want to ask you about. You see, you know me is a very faithful person in my church. I mean, a very, very honest member. And Pastor, I not tell a lie. A long time I know say Miss Baker been quoting, you know. Yes, man. Miss Baker been quoting, Pastor. And I don't understand how comes you don't put on no ring on the finger yet because you're the head of the church. You don't look good to the head of the church not married. You have to have the ring on the finger, Pastor. It don't look good because are you we are follow, you know. And you're not married. You have to be married, sir.
Deacon Bacchus, listen. I understand what you're saying, but I might look on life a little bit different.
Hey.
I'm not the one that believes I should just rush and just marry. No, I can't just rush and get married. You understand? I have to get to know Sister Baker some more and
But you not quote so long.
yes, we're quoting, but we're not even having sex. We're just going through that phase. We're not even having sex.
Pastor, what you say?
As I'm saying, when I'm getting married, I'm getting married one time, and that's it.
Father Deepo, you are not only my pastor, you know. I would consider you to be a friend of mine. We are brothers in the Lord. And I feel like if I say something to you right here, so it can stay right here, so between us as men.
Of course.
Personally, I don't think you for married pussy in a bag.
Then what is trying to say, Mr. Bacchus?
Me just no feel like you fi get something and your eye them blind. You know, you fi see around the corner before you step around the corner.
So, hold on, what you trying to say?
I don't know no other ways to say this in the past. I feel you should have sampled the product.
I think I'm gonna pray about it and see if this is what the Lord with his want for me.
Say God not talk to you yet.
Brother Bacchus! Brother Bacchus!
Pastor, what you doing here? I almost not answer you, you know. It's not brother no Bacchus, it's brother Bacchus. Sir, respectfully.
I'm looking for Brother Bacchus. Is he here?
What you mean, Pastor? Who you
Brother
looking for?
Bacchus. Bacchus.
But is me. Oh, sorry, the pastor. Hold on. Peace and peace, Pastor. You caught me, you know. See, I don't even know who you're looking for. Yes, Pastor. Sorry about that, man.
Oh, hey, you're frightening me there a minute, you know. Boy, you see what God create man to do? God create man and create you here so you can change it whenever you feel like. I could never recognize you just a while ago, you know, sir.
Father Deepo, I don't appreciate you coming there making fun of my hair, you know, sir.
No, sir. Pardon me, long. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but the main thing I come here about is I'm looking somewhere to rent. If you know any apartment or any place that has vacancy, that would suit my needs.
Where you look for go, Pastor? I hope you want to move in here, sir.
Come on, Brother Bacchus. Why would I move come here? The reason why I'm looking for a place is I don't like the church cottage that they're giving me. I don't like it.
So you
So what is the problem, too? You want, wait. You want to get an apartment for yourself?
Right, I like my privacy. As a man of my status and pedigree, I like my own privacy. I don't like people in my business. I don't like unexpected visit. And the cottage that them give me, it they right in at the church. So by the time if you done pray and say if you go change and come back, people could come on me and reach this already, and I don't like that.
I understand.
When I done pray, I like to have my own self.
I understand where you're going. You know, I know a place. What's that gentleman's name again, man? I can't remember his name, but I can take you there. I know exactly where it is, and it is a nice studio apartment. Give me a minute, here, Pastor.
All right.
Let me sort out and you can just have a seat underneath a tree. So I'm gonna put on something.
Sis, just fix your wig, put your head good. See you left a little something there.
Pastor. So Pastor Bacchus, I was going to change, but I don't want to keep my father waiting. So, I'm just going to take it right down there. How you find me at?
Well, I asked 2 questions and...
Yo. Yeah. This is the place I've been telling you about. Is the place look nice?
Yes, sir. Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Amado.
Yeah, man.
How you doing?
Yeah, how may I be of assistance?
Well, you don't know my name, you know. Mr. Bacchus. Yes, Deacon Bacchus from the church. So we have a new member. He's a new pastor coming into the community, and he said he would like to rent out a space up in your place.
Yeah, man, we do have rooms available, and it's a good thing that you bring a fellow churchman.
Yes, man.
Because our apartment here, we like to rent to decent citizens, not anybody.
No,
you know, we don't want any scammers and those type of people to be renting the apartment. So it's good that you bring a fellow man of God.
Pastor Dippo.
Yeah.
Quick question though. How many rooms you have available?
Well, I mean, the downstairs is already, the entire bottom floor is already rent out, you know, but we have mostly upstairs available.
All right, because, you know, as a man of my status and my pedigree, I would like to ensure that I don't have no neighbors because I don't like disturbance. So if I can get, like, at least the whole of the top floor for myself, if it's available, don't worry about it, man. The church money will compensate.
Okay, well, you know, it's kind of pretty hefty, you know, because it's a fairly new apartment and it's not cheap. Each one of the rooms is $50,000 for each one of the studio apartments.
50,000?
Yeah, 50,000. So if you want the entire top section, it's going to be pretty hefty.
That's not bad, because as a man of my status, I think I work hard. And in the house of the Lord, I really work hard. And I don't see why, when I done preach, I can't come somewhere that's very comfortable.
All right, no problem. So I'll ensure, because we have a few little things to iron out upstairs. So we're going to put them in place. And when next time you come back, you just pay the first and last month rent, because we don't take only 1 month. We take first and last.
No problem, man. No problem. It was nice meeting you again, Mr. Malawu, all right?
All right, yeah.
It was a very nice meeting.
All right. Thank you, Brother Bacchus. So I'll see you. And here, take my number.
I don't have my phone on me.
Yeah.
Another thing. I noticed when I was coming in, I saw some woodlums out by the front here. I don't know if this is a place that's troubled by woodlums.
No. This is a very good community, and maybe it's passing by, because we don't facilitate hoodlums on the scheme.
Okay, good. Very good. I don't like when I'm at my place and I hear arguments with my neighbors.
No, man, this is quite a good neighbor.
Okay.
Don't worry yourself. So, you guys don't have any phone on you, and I leave my phone on charge. So here's what you do. I am here most of the day, so once you come and call me, I am available. All right?
Yeah, man, no problem, man. Thank you.
All right, yeah, man. Thank you for coming.
It's a very nice place, you know. What you think?
All of the rooms, them, sir?
Yes, man, all of them, man. I deserve it. But it's a very nice place. Come on, let's go. I like it.
So where you go get the money there, sir?
Listen, you think when I'm preaching and working out, I'm not doing God's work?
Brother Malawu, it's Pastor Jogboy here.
Oh,
What you doing, man?
what going, Pastor? Our breeze blow your ear, sir.
I get to understand that I'm not seeing you in church from the other day. And that is quite unlike you. I was passing by and I decided, I'll come by and find out what is the problem.
Pastor, you want to know, say, it's a bag of things that go on in the apartment. You know, me so new tenant did move in and me have to assist them to get settled in. So that's why you don't see me at church from when, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Oh, boy. Thank God for social media, you know. It's 3 consecutive times I saw you down by the Clapham Church, you know, on Facebook, you know.
Oh, Dad, Pastor.
Oh,
yeah, man. All right, to tell you the truth, apart from the new tenant them moving, two of my friend baby them did I get christened and they invite me just to come my christening. You understand? That's why you see me don't like in church, man. Cause me not too like it Clapham Church either, you know.
Okay, so that christening service lasts for 3 weeks. 3 consecutive weeks. Then christen one baby. I don't understand that. Come on.
Pastor. You don't understand. You know you don't really got in church. I'm gonna tell you what going on. A baby never did stay still and she just did move up and down. So they have to continually put off for christening. So end up for 3 weeks.
Mr. Malawu, sorry. Pardon me, Mr. Malawu. I've been having some problem with the sink, you know, and the hot water. It's not coming in from about 2 weeks now. I don't mind if you could take a look at it for me, you see?
Just the one I've been looking for. Ah, boy, the man went in church. While mine getting so scanty. Pastor Dipper.
Excuse me, sir. I don't quite know who are you, but it's not Pastor Dipper. It's Father Dipper. Yeah?
You see why these things can't work properly because we are trying to run down the world, you know. But I have a little concern. This is one of my members right here. This is my future deacon, sir. Right? I understand that some stuff been going on down by your church that been, it's quite attractive to my members. Put it this way. Pastor Dipper, no disrespect. You're a thief. You're a thief, remember them. You understand what I'm saying? And the Bible said, thou shalt not what? You're supposed to know. Thou shalt not what?
Excuse me, I didn't get your name. You see, before you address me, a man of my stature, you should look into the mirror before you come and speak to me because you say you're a pastor with a pants like that. Eh? And this is how you're approaching me. If your member them or any one of your members from your church see it fit to come to my church, it's quite clear, obviously, that I'm doing something good done by my church. And you need to take a look into yourself.
Mr. Father Dipper, don't let my pants be a problem to you, you know. Look here. The Bible says you must what? Come and say what? What the Bible say you must do?
Which part in the Bible tell you that?
Oh. So, what you done there teach them, say? Me not forget this. I don't even want to get there. Me just want to find out what keep them down there, what hold them down there, sir.
You know what?
You don't seem to know what going on this.
You know what, Mr. Malawi? As I said before, I'm gonna go away, but I need the sink and the hot water to be looked at, all right? Because I'm not gonna stand here and be insulted verbally by any common pastor. I am not no common pastor. I'm a father. As I said before, I'm a father. And only time
respectable pastor in the community. You're styling me as commoner.
As I said, Mr. Malawi, only time them church full is only when somebody dead or some kind of gathering are going on. Nobody now guard them church. So I'm not gonna stand here as a man of my stature and my.
Yourself so with me, and
I'll see you. See, I'll see you, Mr. Malawi.
All right, brother man.
Who am I ranking himself with? Him know me?
Pastor, for tell you the truth.
No, sir. I disrespect that, you know.
Me understand, Pastor, but for tell you the truth.
This is who me come over here come look for. Him or you?
You are one, Pastor, for tell you the truth. A 5-room you rent up there, you know. A 5-room you rent, so you can't really disrespect him.
I could have rent out the whole up there. Me know you long time, you know me long time before him. Remember when your wife couldn't get pregnant? I mean, lay a hand on her. Remember when you have the erection problem? I don't want to talk too long. Remember when you have them problem there? Who is it who pray for you? Who pray for you?
Pastor.
Is who pray for you?
Are you pray for me, Pastor? I'm sorry about everything you happened. All right. Me make sure the next Sunday me at church. Early, bright and early.
Listen to me, man. Church I get scanty, you know.
All right, I may receive me talk to a couple of members and then come back.
So scanty to me, I understand. Just do what you need to do, man. Because it has just me, you know.
All right, Pastor. Me ensure so me talk to a couple of them and make them come back to church. All right?
And this ranking pastor I can't tell me about when funeral I keep up on my church when it's time wrong. You know, so that boy Malawi there is a backstabber. That boy is not a good boy. You mean to say, me come by his house and he met that little ranking pastor boy that style me. But me nah lie still, him talk back still because it's when Sister Diana died, you know. Me get a little crowd and make a little food. Well, me nah call it food still because it's sound weird. So you see that little ranking pastor boy there? I go and show him something because them boy don't know pastor for me, you know. I school him going, you know. Me a genuine pastor, you know. You see me? Me no go to school for pastoring. Him go to school. And him have something down the way I use all the people, but I go and expose him. You watch me and him.
I heard you was looking for me.
Yes, Pastor. Me I walk all along and me I look for you. You know, say, I have a death in my family. My cousin dead. Him kill him last night. Gunman.
It's not Pastor Dippo, it's Father. Pastors is for the commoners, right?
Okay.
But my deepest condolences to you and your family, right? But how may I help you though?
Really and truly, you know, so me hear about you though. That's why I walk and look for you because I just want to get this sort out and done with.
All right, so is that, firstly, I don't like funerals, you see? I'm ensure I tell my members not to die. Even if they're dying, to die in a certain way that I don't come to their funerals, but I don't like funerals.
Well, you can't stop that.
No, the thing is, you know, at my church, I don't want no funerals at my church.
Why not?
Because I like to celebrate the living. I like
what
living
you know?
happy.
I'm not free, you know, I pay, you know.
I understand.
So I can't squeeze and look a thing upon you same way.
I'm sorry, I'm not that type of a pastor where you squeeze something.
Can't squeeze a thing upon you, man. Stop going, man.
Well, I don't take monetary bribe, you know. I'm not that type of a pastor, right? As I said before, I don't like funerals at my church or stuff like that.
So, Pastor, our father, whatever you call yourself, we can ask you a question. Are you married?
No, I'm not. Unfortunately, I'm not married.
You're single?
I'm single, yes.
You're single too, you know? Single too.
You know what? I didn't get your name.
I'm Venus.
Venus?
Yeah.
I can recommend it to another pastor down by the road there, you see? Because I don't do those type of stuff at my church. As I said before, I don't do funerals, and I'm
Thank you very much. But what you know? I must say we have unfinished business.
Unfinished?
All right? Yeah. And me alone saw the pastor look for me. You know, sister, he was all distracted. All my breast him get distracted by. Well, me now work still. Me check the pastor down the road. The pastor will start out my thing. Is your name Pastor Jumbo?
Yes, man. It's me. How are you? Don't know you don't know me.
You take so long to answer me like I wonder what you say.
Talk about because I'm the famous Pastor Jugba. I can't believe that there's anyone living in the community that doesn't know me.
In a way, you know, see me have had it in my family though, because of Japan, and I want to know what the procedure for you, so I want to get him buried here, you know.
My dear child. There's a rumor going around, you know. That is bearded I bury at my church. Boy, all right. Your face look familiar, you know. And are you Sister Carol niece?
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Yeah.
Yes. But careful of the clothes that you wear on the road.
You know, matter the clothes still, no, I just want to get this thing sorted out, you know. Yeah, done with.
Right.
So you matter the clothes. So, watching a pastor, so like how you know me. I'm telling you, I'm very my cousin. So you can give me a reasonable price.
Yeah, man. Members are different, you know. You understand?
Like, oh, that's all. That's true.
You are not a member, you know. Sister Carol. And you live in the community and you're not coming to the church. You understand?
One of them tiny man, pastor. One of them Sundays me out come.
Come to church.
Yeah.
Come to church.
I like how that sounds still.
The young people them around here, and them are straight. So we need to pull them in. You understand what I say?
When I Sunday them, man. When I Sunday. Next Sunday me I come. No worries. Yeah, man, next Sunday.
All right. You have to give me the details and the information regarding when and when. You know that I go cost you a bit.
So, pastor, how much you go charge me now?
You know, as a pastor, you know, I like mention money to people, you know, especially you have somebody that some relative that attend my church. But remember, you know, the musician, electricity bill have to take care of. You understand? And we have to buy tissue and all of them stuff like persons that come and want to use the bathroom and stuff like that. So, what I can do, I can't concrete a date right now. But take my number.
No, I never walk on my phone. I leave it at charge, but we can't hear mine still.
I'm going to take your number and
yeah.
Ring you. You get my number and you can check
yeah, man, no problem.
1 o'clock tomorrow. Tell me your number. 876 first, right?
Yeah, 502.
Hold on. 502, yes?
1825.
1825.
All right. I like how your son still no pastor. Because you know, say, I link one pastor up the road this morning and I'm guilty of something, you know, but him not talk my language. You don't know about, you know. Pastor, thanks again.
I can't bet you too.
You sure?
But you see, them pastor, you know, you have to understand with them. You have to see with them as well because them go to school.
Oh. To become a pastor. So you never go to school?
No, man. We are choosing.
Okay.
Yeah, so you know so my role in the community.
No, I know.
Easy and calm. You understand?
Okay.
They have to fuss you up for themselves. You know, they do them something.
Okay.
You say I come Sunday. So
Yes, man.
You will see how me deal with things. You understand what I said?
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
I'm going to ring you. So you get my
Yeah, because my phone is on charge, you know. So I go home, I go see Miss Call and me get back to you.
54. And I'll be here in the office at 1 tomorrow, so you can check me.
All right, no problem.
All right. So
nice meeting you.
Yes, nice to meet you. And we are something better.
No problem, no problem. Even though them say come as they are, but no problem.
But you know, people stay on all of them things. You understand what I said? Them are going to say pastor this and pastor that.
All right.
Hey, look here now. Make sure you're coming now. Let me tell you something, you see? You see, in the time of grief, you don't do them, you don't do them something there. I know which pastor I'm talking, you know, and who know to, you know. Who know. So nobody go on like who don't know. You understand? But you see me now, I go and continue to work and do my work genuinely. So this community, I bet you all of them let come at the church and come up and something. I bet you. Me I give them 1 month. 1 day month me I give them. Watch and see.
In the heart of the lush island of Jamaica, there exists a boy known far and wide as Big Boy. His name is a testament to his towering stature, robust strength, and the ever-present radiating smile on his face. His home? A quaint village nestled comfortably amid the vibrant green mountains. On a morning bathed in sunshine, Big Boy's day took an unexpected turn. A small, colorful bird, its feathers a kaleidoscope of hues, chirped insistently from a nearby tree branch. The bird seemed eager to engage Big Boy, who, intrigued, moved closer. To his surprise, the bird spoke. "Big Boy, a grave message I bring. The mystical golden mango is in peril. Only one of your courage and strength can save it. The enchanted forest, deep and dangerous, holds it. The golden mango, a fruit of legend said to grant wishes to its holder, was in danger?" Resolute, Big Boy thanked the bird and embarked on his adventure. The enchanted forest was alive with talking creatures who soon became Big Boy's allies. An owl, wise as the ages, unveiled the forest's secrets, while a playful squirrel revealed hidden paths. Guided by their knowledge, Big Boy traversed dense undergrowth, forded sparkling streams, and scaled towering trees. At the forest's heart, he found a colossal waterfall feeding into a clear pool. Here stood the golden mango tree, its majesty guarded by a formidable dragon. Flames danced from the dragon's maw, and its claws glittered menacingly. Yet Big Boy, undaunted, advanced. "Great dragon," he declared, "I come not as a foe, but as a guardian. I seek the golden mango to shield it from harm." Impressed by Big Boy's courage and sincerity, the dragon relented, allowing him to approach the tree. As Big Boy held the golden mango, its warmth seeping into his hands, he made a wish. He wished for happiness, love, and prosperity for his village, his family, and all of Jamaica. Carried on a gentle breeze, his wish spread joy across the land. In recognition of his bravery and selflessness, the dragon named Big Boy the protector of the golden mango, gifting him a golden mango-shaped pendant as a symbol of their friendship. Upon his return, the village rejoiced. their lives forever enriched by Big Boy's wish. Big Boy's story resonated throughout Jamaica, inspiring all with a simple message. No matter one's size, we all have the capacity to spread love, kindness, and selfless wishes for others. Big Boy's smile broadened, and his heart swelled with joy as he continued to inspire others with his journey and the tale of the magical golden mango.